I just got myself this set of these salt and pepper grinders and I'm absolutely obsessed. Look how nice they look. I love that they're a lot smaller than some of the other ones that I've tried before, and I love the sleek design. Really easy to refill. You've got the little arrow right here, so you're just going to twist, open it up, and you pop it in there, so nice and easy. Of course, my favorite part is they are rechargeable, and they even give you 2 of the cords so you can charge them at the same time. They even give you a little bit, a little brush here, which is really good. I often need these on the salt because oftentimes just, you know, with the air and the salt, the moisture, they kind of get stuck. But so easy to use. I love that there's a cap on the bottom here so that, you know, nothing is going to, you know, fall all over the place when they're just sitting on your counter. And then there's just this button right here, and then and there you go, and it comes out. And of course you can change how the grindage at the bottom here, if you want them a little bit bigger, a little bit smaller. Same thing here with the salt. So let's go ahead and give that a try. So of course I decided to go with the pink Himalayan and the tricolor, you know, peppercorns, but you can use any one you want. And yeah, I think they're super cute and they're great.